Hello and welcome back. Just a quick note before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share with someone else you think would enjoy our videos. Looks like today we're working on number 174. We'd start with this box here, we're just missing a 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and a 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3, a 1 here, so 3, 6, and same here, 3, 6. That means our 1 has to be here. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 and a 9 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 9 and our 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3. No help here, so 2, 3, 6. But then we've got a 2 and a 3 here, so this is our 6. So we can take that one out. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 8 and our 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 5. A 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3. No help here, 1, 3, 8. And a 1 here, so 3, 8. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. No help here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 2, 3, and 4 here, so this is our 1. Three and 4 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 3 and our 4. For this box now, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing an 8. That 8 makes this our 3 and 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 3, 9. And that 3 makes this our 2. And this 3 comes over here, makes this our 8 and our 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so 6, and 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6, and that makes this our 3. So for this column now, we're missing a 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing a 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.